This is the Ubiquiti Network's Cloud Key G2 Rack Mount Accessory, model CK-G2-RM. This allows you to take your G2 Cloud Key and have it racked with your other network switches without it having to sit on a shelf, which also gives it a more aesthetic look. Using the kit is easy. If you have the Cloud Key Plus as shown here, you remove the sensor sticker from the bottom of the Cloud Key. Then you slide the unit upside down so that the sensor is lined up with the rack sensor. As soon as you do, the display on the Cloud Key will flip over and show properly. For the light on the front to light up, you will need to use the front network jack with a PoE switch to provide the power to the rack and the Cloud Key. The one thing I noticed is the blue light on this rack is much brighter than other Ubiquiti products. Otherwise, it works great and provides a clean look to your network stack.